My name is seundigital. If you have yet to subscribe on my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to make money with this Amazon bounty. So Amazon is doing this program and it's making a lot of people money. So it's something you want to do. All right, so I'm going to walk you through the process of registering and then how you're going to go about it. Just do it and replicate the same thing for other people and you see yourself making a lot of money. All right, so first, when you see me, click on the link. This link is going to be in this WhatsApp group. So if you're watching this video from YouTube, you're going to get the WhatsApp group link in the description box of this video. So click on the link, this last link, Amazon program dot affiliate program dot amazon dot sign up /signup.com/signup. So click on this button that says sign up. All right, click on the sign up button. So once you put your password, click on signing if you have an account. Or if you don't have an account, click on create new accounts. All right, so that's what I'm clicking. I'm gonna put my first name, put my email address. All right, put my password. So let me put the password now. So once you put the password, click on create your Amazon account. Wait for it. Solve this puzzle. So it's gonna bring it. I'm gonna solve it. Make sure you follow all the steps, please. Follow all the steps, please. So you solve it. Just click on this one. Click on this one. All right. Done. So an OTP has been sent to my email. So let me get it from the email and I'll be right back. Copy the code, you paste the code here, the OTP, click on verify, select your country code, select Nigeria, from Nigeria, from Ghana, wherever you are, US, select the country. This is Nigeria. I'm in Nigeria presently. So you're going to put your phone number here. So let me copy the phone number and put here. So put that phone number, click on add mobile number. They're going to send an OTP to your mobile number also. Copy it and paste it here. Let me copy it. Paste the code you receive from your phone as an SMS here and click create your Amazon account. Okay, when you do that, all right, put your name here, the payee name, enter the name exactly as it should appear on the check. Put your name here, your real name, okay. Okay, move on. Put the address. Put your when you put your address, put your address, put your city, province or region, province or region, or your zip code. Put your zip code, put your country, select their phone number again, +234. So click next. Very good. Here you're gonna put a website, but if you don't have a website, this is what you're gonna do. You go to your Facebook, you copy your Facebook URL and put it here. So this is how you copy your Facebook URL. You go to your Facebook, click on Facebook. So normally you should click on your Facebook picture, your profile picture. When you click on Facebook profile picture, you are gonna see these three dots. Click on it. You're gonna see profile picture here. Your copy your URL. Click on copy to copy it, and that's all. When you copy it, let's go. So once you copy your Facebook profile link, you paste it here. You click on add at the front. So you go down. If you have an app, you put it there. But if you don't have an app, click on next. So here you're going to select. This says, now you can read through. Click on no and click confirm. Hope we are following gradually. The next thing you want to do is that here you're going to fill this place. What is your preferred associate store ID? Just put it could be your nickname or something. Okay, let me just put it there. Mr. J. Okay. Let's try this. If it's gonna go, then you go down your app. No, what are your website or mobile app about? Just write social network. Okay, then here, which of the following topic best describe your website or mobile app? Primary, select you can select education, school, blah blah blah. Just select the one that fits you. Just select the education. The second one, click on education and so here, what type of Amazon item do you intend to list on your website? You can say book, clothes, digital download, key toys. Just select them. Beauty, Kindle. So let's go. Then here, what type are your website or mobile? So here, just select blog. Just select blog. Also select blog here. So here, traffic and monetization. How do you drive traffic to your website? Paid ad, SEO, display advertisements, email, blog, offline, and other. Put it there. Yeah, how do you utilize your websites and apps to generate income? Primary selected, select other affiliate program. Again, select other affiliate programs. Okay, how do you usually build link? So select and say HTML. Here, how many total unique visitor do your website or app have per month? Just say from 501 to 5,000. So what is your primary reason for joining this Amazon Associate program? Select to get rich for my website, get one that just put order, and here word of mouth. Okay, order and word of mouth. So now here just click on this button that said no. Okay, type in these words, all these things, type it here. Okay, that's what we're doing next now. So this is P5H32X. Once you're done, click on I agree, the button, click finish. Okay, I know the username will be may not go. I knew it from the beginning. So let's just say Miss Switches. Okay, click on finish. Boom. Congratulations, Joy. Thank you for applying to the Amazon.com Associates program. So that's all you need. So you can now add your payment info here. So your payment info, you add it here by saying now. Okay, it say enter your payment and tax information. Click on now if you're ready to do that. So let's say you click on now and you put in your password to sign in again. Keep, then sign in. They're gonna send you a code. So let's select the country again, Nigeria. If you're yet to subscribe, please kindly do so. Please subscribe to my channel, I beg you. This is not the phone number. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. So let me get the phone number. Put the phone number, click send OTP. They're gonna send the OTP, so copy it on your phone and paste it there. So let's get the OTP. So you put your OTP here, click continue. All right. So if we have something like this as a payment, so just click on add. You can see this add bank details. It needs to be a US banking. So add bank details, add a new bank account. So US bank currency, put dollar, account holder name, put your name. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how to add this your bank details. So guys, this will be the end of the video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and turn on the notification bell to know whenever I'm dropping a video like this. Thank you. Bye for now.